Hey there, my name is Andrew and I'm from the Mulai Law Firm. We help entrepreneurs just like you create their businesses without having to deal with all the complicated legal forms. In fact, we are the highest rated business law firm for entrepreneurs. We have over 1,800 5-star Google reviews. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to begin selling on Amazon. Amazon has become the hub of e-commerce. You hear it all the time. People can buy and sell just about anything on Amazon. People become overnight successes using Amazon. Beauty products, clothes, and other accessories can all be found on Amazon. What is stopping you from selling your product on Amazon? What is stopping you from becoming the next big Amazon success story? Maybe the thing that is stopping you from selling products on Amazon is all the complicated forms that you need to fill out in order to become an eligible seller. There are several documents you're going to need to become an eligible seller. First, you're going to need a legal business name, contact information, and an address. Second, you will need a tax ID, which can be your employer's identification number, also known as an EIN, or you can use your social security number. Third, you're going to need a seller's permit. Honestly, I'm gonna stop there. You're probably wondering, what is this guy talking about? If you want more information as to how you can begin selling products on Amazon, don't hesitate. Click the link in the description box below so the Mulai Law Firm can begin guiding you through the process. Don't let the complicated forms hold you back from becoming the next big thing. And if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so we don't miss you on any future videos. The Mulai Law Firm is here for you. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise.